What's up guys, Steve here, and today I'm going to show you guys how to block ads on your Android device. So this should basically work with most of the Android devices that I know of. So let's get started. So first up, what you guys want to do is go ahead and head over to settings, go to connections, scroll down into more connection settings, and then go to private DNS and enter this in. So you want to select private DNS provider hostname and go dns.adguard.com. Once that's finished, go click save. And then to make it work for Chrome, what you want to do is open up Chrome, search up Chrome // flags. So that is what you guys want to be searching up, Chrome // flag, and then search up async. So that should be here. Go down into async DNS revolver and go ahead and click disabled, and then no ads should pop up on your phone when you're using the web browser. Anyways, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys liked it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.